Well, here I am at the cabin at night, late at night. Thought I'd try the whole survival thing and uh, doing the whatever thing. Okay, so I got somebody here on 80 meters, just barely. Now, I mean, I'm hearing somebody on 80, just barely. Probably right around here. That antenna really sucks right now. I don't know if I can get up a stronger one somewhere. Yeah, there's a lot of gunk. Not looking so good tonight. I'm going to try calling CQ here. Yeah. Here we go. CQ80, kilowatt echo 8, hotel, sugar, whiskey, CQ. Anybody on 80? Anybody on 80? Kilowatt echo 8, hotel, Sierra, whiskey, CQ. A lot of I don't know if I'm hearing somebody. Look at that junk. That junk is so high. Oh, that's the other. That's that radio. Yeah, so much junk on 80. Let's try 40. There's 40. Let's see. Look how high the junk is. Kind of crappy. There's 20. 20 is noisy. Nothing. I'm not hearing anybody. I think my antenna's crap. I have a magnetic loop coming in a day or two that I'll be putting with this. And this whole thing is not going to stay out here. By the way, we're in the cabin, and the wires, the power supply is the solar. Well, it's kind of a cool thing. I don't know. Let's go to 10. 10's quiet. Look at the noise level, though. Okay. I guess my noise was buff. Now we can try 10. Let's see. Okay. By the way, I'm wearing my headset, and I have the headset unplugged, so you guys can hear what's going on through here. But when I transmit, it goes through my mic. That's why I have this unplugged here. CQ10, kilowatt echo 8, hotel, sugar, whiskey. CQ10. This is KE8HSW. Anybody on 10 tonight? CQ. This is KE8HSW. This is KE8HSW. This is kilowatt echo 8, hotel, sugar, whiskey. CQ10. Yeah, it don't seem like anybody's going to say anything tonight. That's just really annoying for now. Maybe we'll try later. Morning, folks. Pretty sedate morning. Pretty calm. I'm drinking my coffee. I didn't have any luck on the radio last night at all. I woke up at like 3 in the morning and I tried then on all bands and I couldn't get anything. I tried first thing this morning and I still couldn't get anything. So obviously the antenna and maybe the conditions are just in the tank too. I haven't checked that. It probably is. Probably both. More than likely it's the antenna though. So I'll leave it up for a while and give it a shot in another couple days, maybe a week or something. I hear a kitty somewhere. Here comes Kitty. I do have a mag loop that I'm going to be playing with here probably Friday or Saturday. And I'll be able to do that from the comfort of the home instead of having to go to the cabin and do it. Not that I had to go to the cabin, but it was just slightly uncomfortable. My wife packed a little uh, snack bag for me, a little care package thing to take out, and just as I was about to close my eyes, I thought I saw a little yogurt cup in there. That's gonna be really good. So I got it, and the TV or the little TV thing up on the wall was on, and the glow from that's all that I got to see. Can't go away. And I peeled the top off on it and get the spoon, get a big old bite. Realized that it was not yogurt. It was a cup of nacho cheese. That was interesting. No, what? Shut up. So that was a fun thing there. So anyway, hey, appreciate everybody watching. Got an email today. It says since June of 2009 that I've had this channel, or since I uploaded the first video. I didn't really start uploading videos like a creator for except in the last 2 years, but yeah, it shows that apparently I uploaded a video back in 2009. That's a long time ago. Kind of weird. But yeah, anyway, it had like a rundown of how many views and how many watches and likes and shares and everything from since then. Pretty neat, pretty cool stuff. So what? All right. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. It's really cool. Kind of neat to see what's going on here, and kind of nice to share to people. Enjoy your day. This heat ain't gonna last forever. Supposed to do the big cool down pretty soon, and you know what that means, just different chores. So, okay, folks, enjoy your day. Hugs and kisses and all that crap. Have a good one.